12 to 24 and gusty. Then tonight, snow heavy at times this evening, tapering off to flurries late tonight. Low temperature 24 and a gusty wind that backs from northeast to north-northwest, 12 to 24. He likes being out in the snow, so he takes his time kind of sniffing around, making some yellow snow here and there. So, yeah, we like it. It's beautiful. We didn't think you'd want to see that yellow snow video, but take it from me, this guy was walking his dog, and they're enjoying the scenery here. Once again, the rush hour, that's no joke. It certainly could be very challenging. The snow starting to accumulate on the side streets, the neighborhood streets, definitely. It's slippery and wet. By 6 p.m., we're well on our way to 48 inches of snow for most of the Chicago area, and by the time this storm ends, we're looking at 5 to 10 with some locally higher totals. There could be a few locations that do end up with a foot of snow out of the storm system. Here's some of the latest visibility reports, and we have had reports of heavy snow from many of Chicago's airports. And we got about another 3-4 hours to go before we hit 6 p.m., so we could see those numbers climb as high as 7 or 8 inches by 6 o'clock.